my in-laws bought my kid a cake for his birthday. Now, we're going to turn the box into a seed germination chamber. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to take my 72 cell tray from last year, and obviously I'm going to cut it out to fit the size of the cake base here. Now that I've cut it out, time to fill it with some seedling starting mix. This is just some basic organic seedling starter mix. Heavier on the peat moss. I think it has some perlite in there or something to help with the moisture. But just standard, 20 bucks for a bag of 2 cubic feet or something. Alright, just gonna tap it down a few times. I'm not gonna try to compact it. No sense in wasting more potting soil doing that. Then I'll spray it to wet it and we'll put the seeds in. I'm doing this as part of a test with another more fancy germination chamber. You can see that video on my channel where I have a water bath and whatnot, but I'm gonna use the same seeds and we'll test to see what this basically $0 germination chamber can do against my $15 germination chamber. There you go, that's the basic model.